Wealth isn't always loud. In fact, some of the richest people you'll ever meet don't stand out at all. They blend in, drive average cars, and live in homes that don't scream luxury. Yet, behind the scenes, they have built financial empires, secured their futures, and achieved a level of financial freedom that most people only dream about. These individuals follow a secret code, a set of principles that allows them to grow their wealth quietly while avoiding unnecessary attention. If you've ever wondered how some people become millionaires without anyone realizing it, today you're about to find out. Because true wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about having complete control over your money, your time, and your future. Let's break down the hidden habits and financial moves of silent millionaires. Number 1, they master the art of financial discretion. Most people assume that wealth is something to display, but silent millionaires understand that true power comes from discretion. They avoid unnecessary attention because the more people know about their wealth, the more problems they attract. They don't make impulse purchases just to impress others, nor do they broadcast their financial wins on social media. Instead, they quietly build wealth while keeping a low profile. This is why you often see regular-looking people who are far richer than those flaunting luxury. They don't feel the need to prove anything to anyone because they already have what truly matters. Financial security, control, and freedom. Silent millionaires are strategic in how they approach their wealth. They understand that keeping a low profile prevents unnecessary jealousy, competition, and potentially costly social pressure. It also shields them from those who might be looking for a handout, as they don't draw attention to their finances. Being discreet about their wealth is just one of the many ways they continue to accumulate financial freedom without the burden of public expectations. Number 2, they invest first, spend later. For most people, money comes in and disappears just as fast. It goes toward bills, entertainment, and lifestyle upgrades. Silent millionaires do the opposite. They invest first and spend later. This means prioritizing assets over liabilities, buying stocks, real estate, or businesses before indulging in luxury items. They live on less than they make, even when they earn 6 or 7 figures. They understand the power of compound growth and let their money work for them. The secret is simple. They don't see money as something to spend, they see it as a tool to create more wealth. In fact, silent millionaires understand the importance of investing as a habit. Rather than a one-time event, they continuously build their portfolios, often prioritizing long-term growth over short-term indulgence. While many people focus on spending the moment they earn, silent millionaires are more patient, allowing their investments to compound and grow, building wealth that extends far beyond their current income. Number 3, they value privacy over public validation. Wealthy people don't constantly post their vacations, luxury purchases, or financial wins. That's because silent millionaires understand the power of privacy. They avoid drawing attention to their money because the more people know about their finances, the more they feel entitled to it. Keeping a low profile allows them to move freely without financial expectations from others. They also avoid unnecessary jealousy, competition, and potential financial scams. This is why you might walk past a millionaire and never realize it. Their wealth isn't in their appearance, it's in their financial decisions. By prioritizing privacy, silent millionaires can live their lives without the added pressure that comes with being openly wealthy. This also gives them the opportunity to make decisions based on what's truly important to them, without worrying about outside opinions or expectations. The less others know about their wealth, the less chance there is of unwanted distractions or potential risks, allowing them to continue growing their fortunes quietly and securely. Number 4, they avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest financial traps is lifestyle inflation, the tendency to spend more every time income rises. Most people get a raise and immediately upgrade their car, their house, or their daily spending. Silent millionaires, however, keep their lifestyle stable even as their income grows. They focus on building long-term wealth rather than chasing status symbols. They don't splurge on expensive trends or unnecessary upgrades. Instead, they keep their spending in check, allowing their wealth to multiply quietly over time. If you find yourself increasing expenses every time you earn more, it might be time to adopt this millionaire mindset. This mindset allows them to keep growing their wealth without falling into the trap of spending more as they earn more. While the temptation to treat yourself may be strong, silent millionaires understand that maintaining a modest lifestyle, even as their wealth grows, is the key to financial independence. They would rather focus on investments that build long-term wealth than spend money on fleeting luxuries. Number 5, they own more than they owe. Silent millionaires follow one golden rule: own more, owe less. They prioritize paying off debt quickly instead of carrying it forever. They buy appreciating assets instead of items that lose value over time. They build ownership, whether it's a business, real estate, or investments, so their money works for them. The middle class often focuses on earning a higher salary, while silent millionaires focus on owning assets that generate passive income. One group works for money, while the other lets money work for them. This distinction allows silent millionaires to avoid the trap of consumer debt. They understand that liabilities, such as credit card debt and loans, hinder wealth creation. Silent millionaires, therefore, take proactive steps to reduce debt and accumulate wealth-building assets. This focus on financial independence is one of the core elements of their success. Number 6, they don't follow the crowd. Most people follow financial trends, jumping into whatever's popular at the moment, whether it's overpriced investments, risky businesses, or expensive consumer habits. Silent millionaires think independently. They ignore financial fads and focus on long-term, proven strategies. They invest based on logic, not emotions. They avoid chasing quick money, knowing that slow, consistent growth beats get-rich-quick schemes. Real wealth isn't built by following the crowd. It's built by making smart, independent financial choices. Silent millionaires avoid the financial noise that often surrounds the latest trends or high-risk investments. Instead of chasing the crowd, they focus on making sound, calculated financial decisions that benefit them in the long term. Their wealth is built on a foundation of disciplined investing, strategic thinking, and patience. Number 7, they don't waste time on small money decisions. Most people spend hours trying to save a few dollars, cutting coupons, chasing discounts, or stressing over minor purchases. Silent millionaires focus on big money decisions. Instead, they spend their energy on increasing their income rather than just cutting expenses. They automate their finances so they don't waste time micromanaging bills. They delegate tasks that don't contribute to wealth building. They understand that time is more valuable than money and use their time wisely to make strategic financial moves. For silent millionaires, time is the most precious resource. They focus on big-picture financial decisions that generate the most significant returns, rather than getting bogged down by minor purchases. This mindset allows them to maximize their earning potential and build wealth efficiently without getting distracted by the smaller, less impactful money decisions that others often obsess over. Number 8, they prioritize freedom over luxury. The biggest misconception about millionaires is that they live for luxury. In reality, most wealthy people value freedom more than material things. They would rather have complete control over their time than own an expensive car. They prioritize the ability to choose how they spend their days rather than being trapped in a job they hate. They build financial security that allows them to say no to things they don't want to do. This is why silent millionaires don't feel the need to show off, because their wealth isn't in what they own, it's in the freedom they've created. Number 9, they make money while they sleep. If you have to work constantly to maintain your lifestyle, you're not truly wealthy. You just have a high-paying job. Silent millionaires create passive income streams so their money keeps growing even when they're not working. They do this by investing in assets that generate cash flow like real estate, stocks, or businesses. They build automated income streams so they're not dependent on a single paycheck. They